Hey, what's up everybody? Chris here with another Proto Tech Tip, and today we're diving into sliding rails, or drawer slides as they're also called, and how they can be advantageous to add to your sheet metal enclosure design. So let's get into it. At Protocase and Protospace MFG, we understand that innovation-focused work requires getting your projects done as quickly as possible. With creating a manufacturable design, there are numerous factors that could cause latencies in your project timeline if you're not careful. Depending on your specific design, you may be required to incorporate hardware that can enhance the functionality of your sheet metal enclosure. For example, you might need the grip or protection of rubber feet or the simplicity and convenience of using handles. Today's video aims to give you enough information about another type of hardware, sliding rails, in order to make the best design decision and eliminate any latencies in the design phase. When designing sheet metal enclosures, functionality and accessibility are going to be key considerations. Often overlooked but incredibly beneficial is the integration of sliding rails. Incorporating sliding rails will offer significant advantages in terms of maintenance, space optimization, and of course, overall user experience. So let's first talk about the design advantages. Starting with number 1, enhanced accessibility for maintenance and upgrades. One of the primary benefits of sliding rails is the ease of access that they provide to the internal components of your enclosure. Instead of awkwardly reaching into a fixed box, components that are mounted inside can be effortlessly pulled out or accessed. This makes routine maintenance, troubleshooting, and component upgrades significantly simpler. Number 2, optimized space utilization. In environments where space is at a premium, sliding rails can be a game changer when dealing with multiple racked enclosures. They allow you to densely stack enclosures without sacrificing accessibility. Racked enclosures can be neatly tucked away, maximizing your floor or desk space. When access is needed, only the relevant enclosure needs to be taken out. And lastly, increased component lifespan. Because of the ease of access provided by sliding rails, this may also contribute to a longer lifespan for your internal components. Regular maintenance and cleaning becomes more feasible, preventing the buildup of dust and debris that can lead to overheating and premature failure of critical electronics. At Protocase and Protospace MFG, we understand the importance of these design advantages and offer a variety of sliding rail options to suit your specific enclosure requirements. We currently stock 5 different lengths of sliding rails, each with different load ratings. Check out the following chart. We currently stock 16, 18, 22, 24, and 28-inch sliding rails ranging from 100 to 115 load pound ratings. And as you can see from the chart, we carry the 2907 series of slides. However, if you are looking for a particular series that we don't stock, send us an email or contact your account manager. We'd be happy to order those non-stock slides if required. When specifying sliding rails for your Protocase or Protospace MFG enclosure, our team will work with you to determine the optimal type and specs based on factors such as the weight of the enclosure, the weight of your components, required travel length, environmental conditions, and of course, the desired functionality. We could seamlessly integrate these rails into your custom enclosure design, ensuring a perfect fit. And if you're using Protocase Designer, sliding rails and other hardware can be added into your design, and because it's our in-house design software that we fully support, our manufacturing constraints are actually directly built into the software, so you don't waste any time designing something that isn't manufacturable, therefore increasing your project velocity. So incorporating sliding rails into your sheet metal enclosure design is going to be a smart investment that yields significant long-term benefits, from simplified maintenance to optimized space utilization and improved ergonomics. This hardware can make a big difference in the functionality and usability of your equipment. So if you're looking to optimize your designs with expert input, please reach out to our team. They can help you refine your design for your exact project requirements. You can reach out to your account manager by filling out the Contact Us form on either of our websites. The links are down in the description below. And that's the end of this week's Proto Tech Tip. I hope you enjoyed this brief look at our sliding rail hardware that we do stock here at Protocase and Protospace MFG. If you did enjoy this video, please like and subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos that release every Tuesday. Until next time, take care.